Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to put your location on your Snapchat story, so let's jump right into it. First you'll need to make sure that you have your location services turned on. Once you have that done, go ahead and open Snapchat. From here you can take the story that you want to put the location in, just take it like that. After that you can swipe from the bottom right here through the filters, and you will eventually find the location filter right here. And as you can see, my location is displayed right here. You can post the story like that, or you can choose another method, the one I'm going to show you right here. Tap on the sticker right here, and then after that tap on location. From there tap on the location, and it should be added to your story just like that. You can zoom it in or zoom it out, tap on it to change the color, and that's how we do it, guys. Now, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please, as always, like and comment down below. Also subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.